There are few other features of MySQL Workbench which are very powerful and useful to data administrator. Though they are out of the scope of this course, we will still understand what those features do. Click on Database tool. One of the option is Migration Wizard. When we click over it, it brings up MySQL Workbench Migration Wizard. With the help of this wizard, you can connect to any source database which supports ODBC connection and can migrate to MySQL. There are a lot of configurations and settings one has to tackle when you are migrating from entire different database application to MySQL Server. Let's go back to EER diagram and click on Database. This Compare Schema option will connect to two different servers and compare the schema between that. Before we see how Compare Schema works, let's go back to our EER diagram and change some information in our existing Sakila database. We will just create an additional table. Click over here and now we have a new table in our Sakila database schema. Let's click on database and click on compare schema. This particular screen will now ask us source and destination database. For source, we will select model schemata. In destination, we will select live database server and later on we will select target database as Sakila. Click on next and now it will ask us connection to the target database. Click over here and click on SQL Authority. Click next to continue. Now it has retrieved source and target schema names. Click next and it will display that in source schema it has Sakila database and in target we have three different database. Click on Sakila in a target schema and click on Sakila in a source schema and immediately you will notice next button. Click over here and it has successfully retrieved target objects from selected schemata. Click next and it displays us difference between our schema and live server. The difference was table Sakila sample table was dropped. That means our source does not have Sakila.sample table. If we switch the position of our target and source, the message would be table Sakila.sample table was created.